In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to structure your Monday.com groups. We'll go through the entire process step by step, ensuring that by the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to organize your boards effectively to suit your needs. Let's dive right in. To begin, head over to Monday.com. The first thing you'll want to do is log in. You'll find the login option in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it and you'll have the choice to sign in with Google or enter the email address you'll be working with. If you choose the Google option, you'll need to select the email address you want to use from the options provided. Once you're logged in, let's talk about what exactly a group is within Monday.com. A group is a color-coded section on your board and it contains your items, which are essentially your rows. Groups help you categorize and organize these items in a way that makes sense for your work or project. When you create a new board, your next step is to start adding these groups. Groups can represent just about anything. They might correlate with a week, a month, a specific phase of a project, or even individual clients. The flexibility here allows you to tailor your board to the precise demands of your workflow. By default, your board will always start with at least one group in place, providing you with an immediate organizational framework. To add a new group, simply scroll to the bottom of your board and look for the Add New Group option beneath the last existing group. Click on it and your new group will appear. Once the group is created, you can rename it to fit its role or purpose. Just click on the group name and start typing the new name you have in mind. Changing the color of a group is also straightforward. Click on the three-dot menu to the left of your group's title. There's an option there to change group color, which lets you choose from 18 different colors. This feature is particularly useful for visually differentiating between groups at a glance. If at any point you need to recategorize or simply reorganize your groups, Monday.com makes it incredibly easy. You can move your groups around by clicking and holding your mouse button to drag and drop them wherever you'd like them to be on the board. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to structuring your Monday.com groups. By following these steps, you'll be able to create a work environment that is not only organized but also highly functional and customized to your individual needs. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.